Hello, Shalom Torah, family, parents, students. This is Rabbi Kramer coming to you from a very lonely and sad Shalom Torah Academy building. It was really very sad to not welcome all the students here today and for us to be in these circumstances. But together we will ensure that we make the best of it and that the students will be able to learn to the best of their abilities that the circumstances allow for. In order to be able to maximize our distance learning program, we set up Google Gmail accounts, email accounts for all of the students to be able to use as the way to connect to their teachers, access their Google Classroom and various other resources that the students will use as they are learning from home. So to start off, the students will go to google.com, where they will sign in, click to sign in to their email address. Now, every student's email address has been set up with their first name, last name at shalomtorah.org. So, for the purposes of this tutorial, I am logging in as sample student. I'm sample student at shalomtorah.org. You'll click next. And the password for everyone is student1234. Take a look, student, capital S, student1234. Now, Google may not prompt you to change your password, but we do strongly encourage everyone to change their password and to keep it in a safe place. If you do forget your password, you can always contact Mrs. Rifkin in the office to reset it for you. So let's, student1234 is the password. Let's click next. You'll be prompted to accept the conditions. Click accept. Okay, and now you are signed into the Google suite. Everyone has their own Google suite of services. So here's your Gmail. Now, in your Gmail account, this is where you will get all of the notices from the school, from your teacher, about classes starting, about assignments that are due. Any sort of communication with your teacher will happen through your email account. Now, if you click on these dots over here, you can also access your Google Classroom, which is right here. Now, the students have all been added to their appropriate classes. Now, pick your role. Your role is that you're a student. Okay? Now, I am right now in the third grade in Miss Berliner and Miss Glashow's third grade class. And Google is going to prompt me now to join their classes. If you are not enrolled in the correct classes, again, please contact the office. Please email either office@shalomtorah.org or Mrs. Rifkin, which is grifkin@shalomtorah.org. So on this page, you will join your classes. I'm going to join Miss Glashow's class. Okay, and now I see I am part of Ms. Glashow's Google Classroom. Now, in this Google Classroom, I am going to, this is where Ms. Glashow is going to post assignments, where she's going to have a link for a class that she's going to teach via teleconferencing or a call-in number, or any classwork that maybe I'm going to upload or she's going to post. And I'll see the other people that are in the class. I see Mickey Pavlik is already registered for this class. So this is going to be everyone's, format. This is going to be everyone's place to be able to interact with their class and to be able to get communication from their teacher.